Got the Black Widow from the Duct Tape Drags and Poverty Tour that Dad took there and raced with. Trying to figure out why it's not quite running right at the moment. It was missing. Now it's not missing, but now it's not idling right. And it sure ain't running right.
Not too bad for an old truck, huh?
I know, it runs pretty dang good. As seen on TV.
Got a smaller motor than it came with factory.
I know, that sounds real good. In all the good ways, in all the good ways.
I think it's healed.
I would say that it has been corrected and is running better now.